beautiful and rainy. Very unusual for Arizona. So, gonna do a quick update on my sugarcane. Looks like I got a bunch of sugarcane coming up. I don't know if you watched my video a couple of weeks ago where I put a bunch of pieces of sugarcane canes into the ground, and they're starting to come up, so it's pretty cool to see. So check this out. It just looks like giant grass or corn almost. It has like a purple stem. See what I'm doing? I know. All right, I'll pet you with this hand while I record with the other. Don't be so jelly. All right. So there you have it. All I gotta do is stick the stuff in the soil. And it just pretty much just does the rest. There's a little small one back there. I don't know if you can see that. Get in there closer. So it pretty much looks like that at first. And then, I think this one came up the day before that one. So, this one's probably, they're almost the same size. I would say this one's like an inch taller or something. They come up pretty fast. Like this is after, these two have been out of the soil, I would say, for about 5 or 6 days. And this is already about a foot tall maybe. And I put these cages around them just because my dog likes to nibble on everything, and so anything I don't want him to destroy, I'll just put a cage around. So I got 4 little pieces there. I don't remember how many I buried on this side. I think I buried I don't know, 8 segments. And then on this side's been a little bit wetter, and so I had some trouble. So I turned one of them sideways and it seemed to do fine. So basically my experiment shows that if it's really wet, like soggy wet, you're gonna want to have them vertical. But if it's less soggy, you know, like where it actually dries out a little bit, not completely dries out, but to the point where it's not sopping wet, you'll want to have them flat. And if it's really wet, you'll want to have them poking out just so they can get oxygen. Those growths need oxygen to be able to flourish. So I only have 2 coming up on this side so far. And yeah. All right. Hope that helps you grow sugarcane. I'm gonna go play with the dog before I go to work so he doesn't have an anxiety attack. Have a good day.